Morning. I am Parthupadin Dasgupta, Joint Director ICDS. I am presenting on behalf of Women and Child Development and Social Welfare Department, Government of West Bengal. Sir, am I audible to you all?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. My project is based on home-based early childhood care and education, that is ECCE and parenting. Background of this our project that you all know that this prolonged lockdown due to this pandemic put a heavy burden on parents as well as children also. Parents were prioritized their livelihood first, and these children, particularly of 3 to 6 years of children, they become less priority. And the children also do not have the communication skill of their frustration. That is why often they were scolded and they were deprived of their developmental goals and other things. And we have seen that this prolonged toxic stress adversely affect the brain development of the child. And we know that within the 6 years of age, the maximum brain development takes place. And at this situation, when such long uh, totally they were devoid of any kind of developmental activity, it affects very adversely. And we have seen that dropout of children also from school rises in post-pandemic situation. And another thing is that good parenting, we have seen good parenting has a very impact on the skill development of children. But for the children of first generation learner, this parenting skill is also missing. Now we face the challenge that our beneficiaries, the 3 to 6 years of children, they cannot follow the online classes. And in home also, there is no such a teaching learning material available. And these Anganwadi workers who work at village level, they were also not available for mentoring the parents due to this lockdown. And the parents are also from diverse social and educational background. Parents are also not trained to manage these early childhood care and education activities. And all families also do not have the internet and smart. And children were sitting idle at this critical stage of brain development when the brain development takes the maximum uh, pace. And this prolonged lockdown also leads to a spike in a dropout in the post-pandemic period. And this lockdown stress adversely impacts this good parenting activity. And actually, in many places, the child parent, the joyful activities they were missing because parents are busy in their livelihood and children are they are poking for their frustration. And this innovate the quality activities which will be at par with our early childhood care and education program at the Anganwadi center. It was also another good challenge, and to develop an effective monitoring system because this monitoring system should start from the beneficiary also. And now overcoming the challenge, first we designed this as an audio module because when it is audio module, then it will not affect the educational level of the parents. Every parents of every educational level can understand these modules. And this local language is also used. We use mainly Bengali, Hindi, and in some cases Nepali also. And it was so designed that it can be used over any kind of phone, even feature phone, smartphone, any phone. And as it was not a online class, so it was not any time bound online session that we'll have to log into at that fixed time. It was not so. And activities are simple and accompanied by an instructional voiceover how to make this activity with the home based material. And activity was addressing all the developmental domains, all the physical development, language development, their social development, their emotional development. And it was not dependent on teaching learning material also. And regular mentoring by the Anganwadi worker, this was done during the take home ration program. Because Anganwadi worker once in a month, they were going to every house to distribute the teaching their take home rations. And the strong MIS system was also developed so that we can get the feedback. And broadcasting and telecasting to reach all the children, it was also supplemented. Now, uniqueness of our project, as it was not an online version of ECC activities, it was a instructional voiceover with the some program, the rhymes, the story for every day, and some details on how to do the activities by the children. And it was engaged with the children in learning activities. We were empowering the parents so that they can perform the activity with the children. And so a happy home environment returns because the parents, they consume the total instructional voiceover, and then they undertake the work with the children. And this was transmitted as audio module. For transmission, we certainly depend on the internet, and where the Anganwadi worker even may not have the internet or smartphone, then our supervisors, so that was at GP level, they usually make the WhatsApp group with the parents, and they then transmit it. And where the parents do not have the smartphone, we send it to their nearby neighbors or relatives, and in some cases we send some person to transmit it. And our main activity was do it yourself, so that construction of knowledge base of the children increases. And the content does not ask for any specific level of education. All level of education, parents of all level of education can understand it, can use it also. And this activity caters to all types of development: physical, language, social, emotional, everything. And these activities requires almost no material. And general, it was geared towards the school readiness also at the age of 6, so that a child can attend the regular school classes, and designed to suit even a single child. We have deliberately made it no group activity was given, because in lockdown they were locked in the home, so they will not have any peer group also. And inclusive of parents, guide on nutrition and wash messages also given in the instructional voiceovers. And this was inclusive of child with special need, because where the child will not have to go out of the home. So this child with special need, they has also got some special coverage through this program also. And our main objective was that minimum material with maximum support, and the holistic development approach was there, so that all the section of development for a child at the age of 3 to 6 years, they were covered. And it was oriented also to school readiness, because our this early childhood care and education aims at from non-formal education to formal education. At the age of 3, the child start with play-weight method, and at the age of 6, they were now able to attend the school classes. And at present, we have covered 14.43 lakh children out of 26.69 lakh children targeted. Needs of parent also covered while designing the program, so that parents can also use it very easily. And strong monthly monitoring, we are collecting the monthly monitoring format from the Anganwadi worker, that is from the GP levels, and maximum reach through online and offline mode. It is our scalable app. And future plan is that we will continue it. It will not end with the lockdown or pandemic session. We will continue it as a part of ECC when even the Anganwadi center will be back again. It will be then used as the parenting program, and use of TV, local cable, and radio for maximum reach. We will now simultaneously starting this approach also. Apart from internet, the smartphone, this approach will also go on side by side, so that parents can use it. And the printed calendar and paper stationery for children, we will distribute it up to the home, so that even at home the parents can use it also. And promotion of program, it is also going on. We are trying, we are making small videos, and we will give it in the every TV channels, so that in the public there is a demand is generated for this program. And we are also trying to ensuring that public representative of every village level, so that they are also come forward for this program. And strong feedback system is also our another main thing. So we will make more stringent in future. And quality assessment, and we will going to have the assessment of children also. There is provision in early childhood care and education every quarter there is a provision of early assessment, and this assessment is done how they are working in have been performed in different type of developmental activities. Say whether they can summarize some rhymes, whether they can have some jump activity, so and so, and inclusive strategy. And as it is meant for home, that is why the child with special need also, they also cover have to attend this program. And this is our Shishu Alay. Shishu Alay means our Honorable Chief Minister has named such Anganwadi center with this decorative early childhood care and education curriculum, and as Shishu Alay. Shishu Alay means award for the child, and this is normal time Shishu Alay, how they work in our Anganwadi center. And at the end, we are waiting for the children such decorated Anganwadi center or Shishu Alay, and we expect the pandemic will cease and our Anganwadi center will come in operation. And
Very good, Partner Rana. बहुत बढ़िया, very nice. You've been doing very wonderful job. But only thing, 2-3 points which I want to understand are how the smartphone are being provided. Number two, the connectivity thing. How the internet packages are provided to these people. Because I can understand the children are 3 to 6 years. Okay, they need that parents' guidance also. In case any of the smart devices which is provided to them is quite possible that may be used or misused by their parents. So how exactly you have been doing it? And you mentioned about the offline mode also. I can understand through the Anganwadi that offline mode can also be seen whether the physical activities which you have shown through the children alloy which is being done is possible. But I would be more interested in knowing online sort of training which is being provided, how exactly the smart devices are given to your targeted 26.69 lakh of the children, and out of which 14.43 you are covered. So, and secondly, that every month top up of the internet, how exactly is being done, and how many times in a week these classes are being taken.
actually, sir, we are not providing smart devices to the parents. We are depending on the smart devices the parents have, and internet program also, internet top up, etc. What the parents are using. We are targeting offline mode for those who have feature phones, but not the smart one. We are transmitting to the neighboring parents or neighboring any livelihood or friends, and or in some cases our Anganwadi workers physically moving to them to give the these audio modules.
Sir, let me tell you, my wife is also associated with the foundation, that is People Foundation, People Tree Foundation, and they are also teaching to the children. Despite the fact that this foundation has provided the smart devices to the children, their parents are taking it along with them and they are not giving it to the children. And it's very difficult. Without providing any of the smart devices or the facility or the internet packages, how it is possible that you could cover 14.43 lakh children? I think it's just a number. I don't think that is possible. I'm telling you from the practical aspect, sir. I'm not underestimating your efforts which you have been providing, but I want to know that how exactly is being done.
No, sir, it is really actually done, because in our West Bengal, these 14.43 lakh, these parents, they have their smartphone not not on always, but we are getting it transmitted through neighbors. And as our audio module is can play in ordinary feature phone also, and it can be transmitted to through Bluetooth. That is why the parents, they have also made their association in the villages, in every village.
So right. Today is a pandemic, and allowing going to the neighbors is not a good idea. What happens that we have to maintain the social distance also, and these people are the underprivileged people, whereas maintaining 6 feet distance would not be possible. So how exactly is being done, sir?
No, it is done, sir. It is done because the first of all, these audio module, these only covers for a week 6 stories, 6 activities, and 6 rhymes. And in
Sir,
some cases,
sir, I'm not contesting the
no,
contents
no. What
of
I am
that.
saying. No,
how
I'm saying
exactly
how it is transmitted.
practically?
How it is transmitted. I am saying because the in some cases it is easily possible through Bluetooth, sir, in more than 4 to 5 feet distance, and as in Anganwadi worker is also transmitting through Bluetooth in some cases, and you have seen our case study also. The
Sir, I, sir, I am a tech savvy person, but I don't have the Bluetooth, sir. What you are talking about, that person was underprivileged in the village for the Bluetooth, sir.
no,
Sir,
sir, the feature phone in feature phone, sir.
all right, no problem.
Mm,
Bhushan,
Bansal sir, let me come in here. All I want to know, how are you measuring your outcomes? How are you measuring your impact? In case you
yes,
are
yes,
able
I am.
to answer, yes, because I think that's the main thing.
Mm.
You are broadcasting, but I would like to know what is the effect of broadcasting and what is your measurement system?
In our measurement system, sir, the parents, they send their feedback also. They send those who have a smartphone, they send their video and photos that they are performing in the house. And now our Anganwadi worker also dropping every
I
family.
very well know, I appreciate all those points, but have you been able to come out with the quantitative figures that so much feedback has come from so many parents? Is there
Yes,
any
sir. Yes, sir.
no,
Yes, we are.
can you share those quantitative analysis?
Quantitative analysis, yes, sir. We are saying this figure based on our monthly reporting because we are
No,
taking the month.
I'm not concerned about your monthly reporting. I'm concerned about what is the input which has, what your measurement system from the feedback system from the parents and other recipients. So what is that system that you have, how you are measuring, and what is the measurement done?
Actually, we are now measuring the feedback they are sent through either photos or videos.
So how
And
many photos? Okay, the back was question is very simple. How many photos have you received?
we have received, sir, at least 10 lakh photos, sir. And it is now reserved at the project level, and at the state level, we are getting the numbers, sir. At the project level, they are storing their level, the photos and feedback in the form of video they are getting from the parents.
Okay.
your efforts are very well recognized, that you are doing wonderful job. We are not denying it, sir. Only thing what Bhushan sir and myself and now Mr. Surinder Sur would also like to understand, because what is happening, sir, practically if you see, despite the fact that we have been providing the smart devices, the children are not coming online. They say, okay, we don't have the internet is over, you send us the money for updating it. Whereas you are saying to, cover 26.69 lakh children, it's a
So, sir,
very big
14,
task.
14 lakhs, sir, 14 lakhs.
14 lakhs right now covered, but you targeted 26.69.
Yes,
It's
yes.
it's a very big target, very good effort.
Mm.
Everything is okay. So that's what we wanted to understand. In case you are saying that okay, you are measuring it, quantifying it, and you are doing it, then it's appreciable and great job. But practically, I am little bit apprehensive that it cannot be done, because it's very difficult to convince 3 to 6 year children to come without parents guide. It cannot happen, and without the devices in hand and connectivity is not possible at all, sir.
That,
If you are doing it, it's commendable. I
It's
salute
not
you, sir.
happening.
True, sir.
It is not happening in a metro city like Delhi. My wife is involved in this type of a teaching in a charity school where there used to be in physical class about 20 students, only about 5 or 8 come for this type of an interactive class. It has been done, it has
let me
been
have,
done
sir,
through
one word.
WhatsApp, it has been done through WebEx, it has been done through various mechanisms. That's the response which we are getting in here in a metro like Delhi, where people have, and I'm telling you, these are the people who are economically very, very backward, very backward.
Right, sir.
Sir, may I have one word, sir?
Partha Data,
Sir,
you can reply once Mr. Sur also puts his point, and then after that you can reply,
yeah,
please.
yes, sir, yes.
Sir, as discussion is going on, and I myself is teaching to professional students, and it has been observed that students try to shy away from attending the classes online. And if in case, and there is no guarantee, as per discussion we can observe this. So what we can do is that midday meal scheme was introduced by the government. Similar mechanism needs to be built up so that the more number of children can be attracted and they themselves come forward and attend it, so that it becomes not any compulsion. Up till जब तक इसका कंपल्शन बना रहेगा तो स्टूडेंट्स उसको अटेंड नहीं करेंगे. मेरे भी केस के अंदर में जब तक स्टूडेंट्स को अटेंडेंस चाहिए होती है तो वो आते हैं, लॉग इन करते हैं और अपने वीडियो को ऑन नहीं करते हैं. टेक्निकली वो चाहे सॉलिड हो या ना हो, तो इस चीज को थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड करना है ताकि गारंटी हो कि आपकी स्कीम सक्सेसफुल हो. और हमारे को लग नहीं रहा है अभी कि बच्चे इतनी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी के अंदर में उन चीजों को अटेंड कर रहे हैं.
चलो पार्थ दादा, तो लास्ट बताइए, अब जल्दी से बताइए, तब वी कैन
हाँ
कंक्लूड.
sir. First of all, sir, what you have said, this was the scenario before pandemic. Parents were hardly interested in the 3 to 6 years children and cases. But this pandemic, it has started in West Bengal from 17th March, and we have introduced in 11th May. This March to May, the parents, they were become really problematic with the problematic child, and they also shown interest to have something. You to up to kuch to karo. And these actually these interest of parents has also driven us to arrange this. And as it is an audio module and it doesn't have to log in or anything else, and they are simply hearing this and they are doing this. We are actually empowering the parents. They have not to follow our total audio module. The parents, they take up this and they themselves perform this.
Okay,
And
sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sameer, now we move to the next one. Very good, sir.